Zeltparker here with part 43. We're so close to being done with the campaign of this game. You have no idea. Oh wait, 3 more. Damn, I thought it was 2 more. Wait, is it? That's 3 more. Okay, it is 4:45 on December 8th. Let's try and speed beat him. Okay, let's see what we got here. Trap holes. I know he uses Harpy's feather duster, so it's... I can't go excessive with it because I know he's gonna kill my car. Oh, they always get Harpy's feather duster. Ah, wait, you fucked up. You didn't do it this time. Didn't see that coming. For once, a surprise that helps me. Don't be Magic Jammer. Yeah, fuck you. Thought it was gonna be Magic Jammer. I don't know what he's got, but I'm not letting him have it. Dude, that's a good card. Let's see what he had. Mirror Force. Yeah, fuck you, dude. You about to get fucked this time, Yami Yugi. 32 damage right off the bat. Oh. Okay, 16. I forget he has that fucking Karibo. Little asshole. That thing saves his ass like crazy. God, Christmas, I'll be here before we know it. Ha ha ha, you're so fucking bad at this. You're not trying anymore. He would only kill one and then I would have chose to do Summon Skull. Okay, so now this leaves me with a choice. I'll be able to do 32 plus 15, which would be 46, 47, or I could... You know what, I'm gonna do this for now, because he's gonna fuck me over with a Regeki, whatever it is, eventually, and I know it. That card's OP as hell. I hate that card. I wonder if that's banned. That's probably banned. Wow. Been 3 minutes and he's about dead. Really impressive duel for me so far. Not impressive, just lucky. All his defense monsters gain 500. So if he's got a 2,000 defense monster, that's 2,500 now. Ha 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 ha. Dude, you're fucked. Unless that's Cyberjar, I don't think there's shit he can do. And yeah, I'm gonna summon Skull just in case. Alright then. Oh, now I won't get to kill him this turn. He's not dead this turn. I should just attack with Summon Skull in the first place. He's gonna have 100 attack. That's BS. Oh, okay. You got me. He showed me with that 100 damage, didn't he? Imagine if he dueled this bad in the show. Oh shit, thank you. Well, bless me, thank you. Whatever the average person would say. That fucked him up. Nice to win easy for occasionally. Very good. Yeah, because you suck, that's why. Oh, I used to show these cards off, but I forgot I don't show them off anymore. But they're usually trash anyway, so... like, half time to nothing I can use. 2 more duels, and he's done for. Okay, let's see how long this is. 450. I beat him in 5 minutes that time. I already got Change of Heart. Nice start. Drop that. Let's go ahead and use a Pot of Greed. Not gonna drop that in case of that one card he likes to use. And I'll end my turn on that. I'm pretty sure he has Harpy's Feathered. Okay, yep, see. And you know what he's gonna summon? He'll probably summon his 1900s. Fuck you. Am I prepared for that? I don't even know. The Bell of Destruction. Dark Hole, that helps. Oh, Change of Heart's good too. Not worth wasting on that though. Okay. I'll just use Dark Hole to get rid of it. He can summon one next turn if he wants, and then I'll take that one. Would have been nice if he hadn't got that Harpy's Feather Duster though. So chances are the next video, as long as I win right now, the next video is only going to be 1 duel. It'll be pretty straightforward. Oh shit. Oh. What an idiot. Why wouldn't he bring back a strong monster? He's dumb as shit. Oh. Well, I'll stand corrected. Actually, I'm sitting. Come on, someone's skull. Damn it. Hoping for a tribute monster. Well, oh shit, no. That would be a bad move. Okay, let's hope for the best now. I'm still winning. Uh-oh. Gives him a chance to get that MST. I don't know what you got, but you're not keeping it. I was a magic heart crap. Ah! Why wouldn't he even use it last turn? That's dumb. I'd cry if I accidentally attacked his, Oh shit. I should have known Yuki would have that. I just expected it to be something shitty. he's holding his own right now. He's not doing offensively well, I suppose. I mean, I guess he is, but you just fucked up because I have trap hole. Thank God he thought that was a good idea. Really would have liked to have some better offense. Ah. That's okay. That's okay. What do I have down here? Just that. See, dueling is like, you can never be like, oh, I'm better than him. Because it all depends on... Now, if your cards are just absolute trash, maybe then you can say that. But otherwise it doesn't work that way, because, like, my deck could... It all depends on the cards you draw. Because, like, one person can get their best cards in their first hand, type deal. Oh. Well, let's hope he doesn't tribute. Cool. Even better. Puts him closer to his death. Oh no, we both know what he's about to do now. Go ahead, tribute for it, bitch. You're gonna regret it. Bad move. Ha 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 ha. You lose, I think. God, it would have been bad if I fucked up and hit the wrong thing. Yeah, he loses. Hell yeah. Oh no. Wait, no, it doesn't matter what he's got. I have a trap deactivator. Alright. Good game, Zelt. Who's calling me? It's Michigan. I wonder if that's my dad. I'll call him back. If it's important, they'll call again. That was a good video. So next one is going to be super short unless he gives me a hard time. Alright, let's get this card. I'm going to keep getting this one for now. Nothing I'm enjoying. Alright, let's save that. That was pretty good. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe for more. I own nothing to play, only for entertainment. Thanks for watching.